In this video, I'm going to show you this insane strategy that I use to earn over $102 in a day. I've been earning about $1.78 per email that I've been collecting, and I'm going to show you how I earned over $1,017 with this campaign so far using completely free traffic. This strategy literally prints out money because it goes viral by itself. I know that sounds a little bit too good to be true, but make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how this works and exactly how you can make a ton of money from this, because this is something very rare that nobody has really talked about or taught before. The great thing about this is we're not producing content. You don't need any followers online. You don't need to go out there and spam your affiliate link anywhere. We're not going to go and do surveys. This is a viral strategy that I've actually seen some people using on Instagram lately that I'm actually going to replicate using this particular offer in this video. And I'm going to show you the exact product and offer that I used to make over $1.78 per email that I collected. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive into my computer over here and I'm actually going to show you proof of my earnings. So right here on the screen, you can actually see my dashboard so far. With this campaign, I've made just over $1,000 this month. That's in 30 days, which is really, really good. And paid out so far, approved, is $912. There's still about $112.36 pending. And so far, profit today, I've made over $102.16. That's a total of 97 accepted leads. That's accepted leads. And then 201 visits to my offer at a conversion rate of just under 59%. So just to refresh to show you, this is my live dashboard. You can see. And here you can see this is my live dashboard. And what I'm going to do is at the end of this video, I'm actually going to give you, just as a boost for you guys, the graphic design or the little file that I made, kind of like an image that I made that made this entire strategy go viral to see these kind of returns. And what this is all about, this is actually all about cost per action marketing, CPA marketing, which is probably the easiest and fastest way to make money online today, is cost per actions. Firstly, because your referrals, the people that you refer to the specific offer, doesn't have to spend anything. You have to, as it says in the name, you have to get them to perform an action, whether it's enter an email, to sign up for a giveaway or a lucky draw competition, or to sign up for some kind of product. They just have to sign up, and then you are going to get rewarded a small commission from the creator of that product. For example, anywhere between $1 and $5 per person that you sign up or refer to the specific lead. So what's really great about this, it's much more higher converting because you're not selling anything. You can give free value. And I'm actually going to show you the exact offer I've been using to go viral like this. So you can see here, OfferVault is one of the easiest CPA networks to sign up on today. There's also this one over here, and Max Bounty is a CPA network that I use myself, but in this purpose of the video, I actually found the exact offer on over here on OfferVault. Here, offervault.com, which is also a great alternative to Max Bounty. Much easier to sign up on. Max Bounty has a very strict sign up process, but I do have a video on my channel that teaches you how to get approved on Max Bounty. And the first thing that you're going to search is you want to come over to the search bar and you want to type in GoPro on the search bar. Here you can see this specific campaign here, GoPro Hero 6. All you've got to do is you've got to get people to sign up for this giveaway. So this company is collecting emails, and what they're going to do is they're going to give a lucky email subscriber a free GoPro Hero 6. And every lead that you refer to this competition, you are going to get $1.72 straight to your PayPal account or whatever withdrawal method that you've used. This specific network pays in multiple ways. I think it's cryptocurrency as well. So it is worldwide, accepted in any country. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the specific offer, and here you can see you can join its network. You can see it is a single opt-in, which means you basically have to get your lead to perform one action, that is just sign up for this giveaway, and you're going to get your $1.72 per lead. What you're going to do is you're going to click on join network, because OfferVault is basically a network that links up other CPA networks. So this particular GoPro Hero 6 offer is on this affiliate network called My Lead. So all you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to sign in with your account or create a free account. It's literally email, password, and verify your cell phone number or your email, and then boom, you're on your dashboard over here that looks like this. And what you're then going to do is you're going to come over here to campaigns. You're going to come over to list campaigns over here. and here you can see all the different campaigns. You can see all the way on the top left over here is a search bar where you want to type GoPro. Again, you want to click type GoPro. You can see here programs GoPro Hero 6, and here you can see on the screen, if you click on this option over here, URL, click on this, and what you want to do is you want to click on add traffic source, and over here you want to select social media and you want to select Instagram. So click on Instagram, URL to profile. So you want to go and create an Instagram account, and I'm going to show you exactly the kind of Instagram account you want to create. This is super important because this is going to play a big role in going viral with this. So before we go and continue with this, I'm going to go take you over to Instagram. So you need to come over to Instagram.com, and you want to search kind of like travel or action videos or camping or anything that's got to do with the GoPro niche. So GoPro is obviously all got to do with recording action videos, videos underwater, videos while traveling, pictures while traveling. So that's the kind of page that you want to go and create. So you can see here, I found a page called GoPro Travels Life, where they basically take pictures of people traveling and taking pictures with their GoPro. So you can see, for example, these pictures over here look like they're from different countries in the world, taken with the GoPro, and they're just building a page around that. But don't worry, you don't need to go and post and create a whole page with a following base or anything like that. What you're going to do is you're going to do something like this. So you can, firstly, you want to go create a page very similar to this, whether it's GoPro giveaway, or camping lifestyle, or anything that's got to do with like outdoors, specifically with GoPro, because it's obviously more an outdoor product. So, for example, I actually found a page here similar to what I was doing. This is perfect. You can see this page over here is basically win a GoPro Hero 5. And what you want to do is you want to go create a page like this. You want to go and repost one or two of these pictures, or I would say fill up your feed with at least about 10 pictures. Don't worry about follows or likes. Just credit this page, and you just want to get some photos on your feed going. Use some popular hashtags, viral GoPro hashtags, or action hashtags, just to get a few people liking your page. And then what you want to do is you want to come over to canva.com. So come over to Canva, and this is also the super part. So Canva is basically a free graphic design or editing website where you can create little images and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you just want to click on templates. You want to come over to, just come to the search bar, click on Instagram, or search Instagram. Here you want to see Instagram post. Click on Instagram post. It's already going to create the right resolution for you. And over here, I kind of created this little graphic image, GoPro giveaway, details down below. And then I put an image of the GoPro that I'm giving away, or in the specific CPA offer. And you'll see details down below. If I scroll down, I've got these following steps. Just as an example, to mark the launch of our brand new page at GoPro Heroes and Vids, which is just an example page I used, we have an awesome competition. You could win a brand new GoPro Hero 6 worth $399, and to enter, follow these steps. And this is the important part. Share this post on your story, and you put in brackets, tag us, because obviously they want to tag your page so that you can see that they've shared it. Follow our page at GoPro Heroes and Vids, and click on the link in the bio to submit your entry. And that link in the bio is going to be your affiliate link to the landing page of that giveaway competition, where the leads and the followers and the people entering this competition enter the email to enter this giveaway. And that's where you're going to get paid $1.72 for every lead that you capture. And then you must have the following. You must do all of the above to enter. So as you can kind of see, this strategy goes viral for itself, because obviously this post, share this post on your story. One person shares it, all their followers see this. All their followers see this. Whoever wants to enter this shares that post on their story. All their followers share it on their story, and it kind of has like a viral ripple effect, because in order to obviously enter the competition, everyone's got to follow this image, and this is how you can eventually get to thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people sharing this picture on their stories, entering your giveaway. I mean, that then could lead to well over $1,000, just like I've earned in CPA commissions, because the strategy is completely going viral for itself. And why I chose the GoPro competition, it's just different. Everyone's either doing the new PS5 giveaway, or I've seen quite a couple of PayPal money giveaways. But the GoPro Hero 6, it's a very targeted niche, and it's very different. And that's why I've chosen to do this one, because it's just different. People are going to enter this because it's something other than a PS5 or a PayPal giveaway. So What you can do is, if you want this picture, what I'll do is I will leave a link on the pinned comment, but all I would appreciate is a leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that, and subscribe down below if you are new to the channel, as I'm posting really awesome daily videos on this channel on how to make money online. And also just leave a comment down below saying that you're ready to try this, and also follow me on Instagram. Keep me updated with your progress. Send me a DM if you get any results with this. I'd love to see some results, and I might actually shout you out on my Instagram or my channel. So definitely let me know how that goes. And you could, if you want to, do this on Facebook as well, or even TikTok. You can go create like a Facebook page and basically share this on your feed with all your friends. And you can say, share this is the instructions below, follow this page. And you can do the same on Instagram and Facebook, and you can go and get this viral all at the same time on both platforms. Twitter as well. I think this is a great one to do on Twitter. So just to quickly get your affiliate link, what you're going to do is then, for example, if this is our page, you need to copy your Instagram page. This is obviously now to get your affiliate link. You're going to come back here to this page. You're going to paste the URL to your profile. The category, you're going to go and select, for example, we want to go do, trying to see here, house and garden, I would say. Appliances and electronics, it does fall under electronics because it is like a camera device. Number of followers, you can put 0 as you are just starting out. Content is not 18 plus. Click on delete information, click on add. And over here, you just want to type a brief description of what or how you're going to promote this. So you can say, I have a viral Instagram page in the camping and video action niche. I would like to promote this offer as a lot of my followers would enter this campaign. And you can say, getting the campaign a lot of leads. And then what you can say, I've read the terms and conditions. It's then going to take you to the next page, and basically then your application is going to be awaited by approval by the support. So then they will approve this once it's ready, and you'll get your link. What you can also do is, if you are on Max Bounty, let me just quickly come over to maxbounty.com. You can actually find tons of other offers here as well, such as an iPhone 6, such as a $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway, a pizza giveaway. So there's so many different giveaways and Instagram theme pages and viral pages that you can go and create around various different offers. So you don't only have to do GoPros, you can do so many others. And a quick bonus that I actually want to show you guys is, when you are on Instagram, go to people such as The Rock. You can go follow some celebrities. You can go and click on their followers, and you can go and follow, I would say, about at least 20 to 30 people every hour. You don't want to go spam follow, because then Instagram will obviously flag your account as spam and might ban that. So you want to do nothing more than 40 follows in an hour. You can follow, unfollow people, just so people can see your page, so that they come to your page, they can see your post giveaway, and that's how you're going to get random people to enter the giveaway. And as soon as 1 or 2 people share this viral post off your page or enter your giveaway by doing all those steps, then it just becomes one big ripple effect. Please comment down below what you thought of this video, and if you're going to give this a shot. I really want to see some of you guys get some results with this, and if you are going to get results, please don't forget to message me on Instagram. I'd really love to see that. But also, please comment down below what you thought of this video, and if you're going to give that a try, and also leave a like. I would really appreciate that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you really enjoyed it. But I really hope you guys got a lot of value and enjoyed this video. And what I'll do is I'll leave a playlist on the screen here to more CPA videos and training that teaches you about more strategies like this to ultimately earn more money online with CPA marketing. So you're definitely welcome to go and check that out. I'll leave that on the screen. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.